Our final outcome of our prototype involves an interaction between the user and the system via an Android device through the Bluetooth connectivity. In this system, users can manipulate the colors of the light strip to match their personal taste. Due to the power source, the system is downscaled to 12 LEDs instead of the 60 LEDs. The components we used for this prototype is the Arduino Uno Rev 3, BT04A Bluetooth module, jumper wires, and the WS2A12B light strip. The breadboard we used in this photo, we just used this to hold the Arduino in place tightly on the table. We didn't plug any wires or anything onto the breadboard. To make this prototype, we watched many YouTube tutorials for the combination of Arduino Uno and the WS2A12B light strip to start making our codes. We used Tinkercad to test our prototype and made the wiring map in Freething. After this, we upload the codes by using the Arduino EXE and test the codes to make sure there is no faulty messages. Then we unplug the Arduino board and connect all the components. The final step is we download the Blue SPP app on an Android device and edit the buttons on the interface. To use the system, first of all, we need to download the Blue SPP app on an Android device. Everyone can download this from if they have the Android device, they can download from the Google Play Store. And then we can just open the app and turn on the Bluetooth function in the device. Then we can connect the chip named the BT04A. Step 4 is we can tap the R or G or B or any combinations to turn on the lights. The stars stand like the on-off button, and we press RGB, we get white.
So this is our system flow diagram. It shows how the system actually works. As we can see, we have one input. It is the manual adjustment. People can through the app on phone to control the light or change the color of the light. Our system is customization. You can set up the color that you like or change the color with your mood. And this is our goal table. Our goal is through the app on phone to change the light setting. Then the system will transfer and analyze the order. Finally, it will respond the lights up, and the quality will be reliable, easy to use, and high speed to respond the light. It's also quiet. The whole process will not make noise. People will feel relaxed and chill. It will let people feel impressed and shocked. This is our goal model. It shows all the stage in this process, and we have already certified all the stage. And we learned a lot in this project, and we feel certification from the final outcome. It inspired our creative imagination and hands-on ability. Although we have met some challenge in this project, like the coding part, the connection problem between phone and Arduino, this take us a lot of time to do because we never learned this before and we don't have experience with these things. In the end, we overcome this difficult. So we have seen plenty of tutorial about how to write coding in Arduino on YouTube. We also use Google to search how Arduino connects to Android apps to control the light through Bluetooth. Finally, we type the correct coding in Arduino and successfully activate the LED light. It also can change the color of the LED strip through the phone.
This is the demonstration video of our prototype, which is the ambient home lighting system. and this system has been downgraded to 12 LEDs for the demonstration. You can see here is the Arduino Rev 3, and there's some jumper wires, and the jumper wires that is this one is the female to female, which is I cut 4 of the male to female wires in half to make 2 of them, and the breadboard is just for holding the Arduino board tight so it can sit on the table well. And this is the BT04A Bluetooth module. The shiny red light shows it is waiting for the connection, and the system is already on. And to make this system work, we need an Android device, and with an app called the Blue SPP, which you can download from the Google Play Store. And first step, connect the chip, which is this one, and it's connecting. And you see here that the red light is already on and it stopped shining. And to turn out the light system, you need to press the start. And if you press the R here, or maybe I just turn it off. You press the R here, the red light, it represents the red light, so red light turns on. And if you tap it again, turn it off. And same as the G one, it stands for green, and B is for blue. If you press R plus G, you get this kind of color, which is kind of lime. And if you press blue, you get white, which is the maximum brightness of the light strip. So if you press green plus blue, is this kind of aquatic color. And if you press blue plus red, so it gets a purplish color. There is something that you need to notice, which is the when you download the app, it's all blank here, so you need to first of all, when you actually get the app, it's all blank here. And if you go to terminal and keyboard, it's all blank here as well, no buttons. And if you go to the edit mode, which turned on the bottom, you can press onto this and customize the actual buttons. And if you can see there, it's the red button, it says R, and the message is R, and the status release is 1, and same as the G, green, same as the B, which is blue, and the star is a little bit different. The status press in the middle is 0 at first, and because you turn the system on, it shows the status release, which is 1. Yeah, so this is our system.